Please excuse the shaky video this morning. I'm doing this handheld. I'm on my way out the door. In a recent set of videos, I've talked about the Humane AI pin and its prospects in the market. I've talked about how Humane is mixing pervasive computing with mobile computing to create a novel mobile device. And I talked about how they're extending the Android open source project to create an operating system for their device. So if you're interested in those topics, go back and watch those videos. But today we're going to talk about what Humane's patents indicate about their product. The patents are split between hardware-oriented patents that are about patenting features that are embodied in the device's hardware, software system architecture, and user experience patents that cover aspects of what Humane obviously believes is a new kind of user interface. And this is what the patents tell me. Humane's founders and the people with their names on the patents are ex of Apple, and Apple takes systems of user interfaces very seriously. Humane's founders are on a mission to create a new type of computing interaction. Their basis to believe that a new type of interaction is needed is founded on the possibilities of having a microphone, camera, speakers, and a tiny laser projector that can project images on the palm of your hand in a device that's worn on the front of your clothing, on your shirt, jacket, or whatever top you might be wearing. In other words, they're treating this combination of hardware like the combination of a graphical display, a pointing device, and a keyboard as in the Macintosh. Apple's systems thinking approach to user interface has made their product easy and natural for users to discover how they work and protect them from mistakes. Humane's founders believe they can do the same for their novel body-worn device. This is a daunting task. When the Macintosh first demonstrated that a personal computer could have the sophistication of a Xerox Alto workstation, the value of doing that was already well established. Computer users really like to see the results of their actions instantly as they manipulate a document on the screen directly. By directly, I mean with the pointing device, as if they were reaching into the screen and moving things around. This was much more approachable than typing commands and examining the results to see if they are what you intended. There was an abstract philosophy underlying this approachable user interface that consists of the what you see is what you get graphical user interface, the desktop metaphor, where rectangular windows are a metaphor for papers on a desk, and generic operations on a selection, where only valid operations are presented to a user based on what they've selected using a pointing device. It remains an open question to see if Humane can actually create a consistent user experience philosophy and one that people find approachable and relevant to their needs.